Okay guys, today I have come with a quick tutorial on how to make drop shadow. I'm going to make this exact same effect right away. So without any further ado, let's straight get started. I've taken a new template. Now I'll take a text. I will give it size of, let me check, which is the previous 130. So I'll give the exact 130. Type drop shadow. I'll go to position, middle. Now I'm going to copy, Control C and Control V. So I've got two drop shadow. Now I'm going to change the color. This one I will keep as this color, and this one I will make maybe okay, I've taken this light gray color. You can take any color. Now I will just position it on top of the previous one, a little bit shifted. Now I'll press shift and I can use the key to bring it the front and back arrows. You can change anywhere, wherever you want, depending on from where the light is coming for your case. For me, I prefer to keep it downwards, so I'm okay with it. This is the exact same banner, but I can use different color as well. Instead of gray, I can use white or yellow or any color. I think white is suiting me, or maybe gray is okay. You can take even lighter gray to make it a little more prominent. So you can just keep experimenting, guys. It depends on how you want your text to look. So this is pretty much it. This is what exactly is called drop shadow, which is a shadow effect on your text. So I hope you like this tutorial. You can use such drop shadow tricks in making your templates more colorful, more 3D. And I keep using such templates in different social media posts, which gives it a little vibrance and vanity. So I hope you liked it. If you really liked my tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and definitely let me know which part of the tutorial you like the most, and if anything else you would like to know from me about Canva Pro or Canva Elements. I keep giving such small tips and tricks so that you can use Canva to the fullest and make your template stand out of the crowd. So with that, I will be signing off today. Definitely follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Those are my social media handles. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends and family if you can, and press the bell button and select all notification. With that, this is Follow Me signing off for today. I'll see you on my next video with some brilliant tutorial like this. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.